Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable tour of Switzerland, a country renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and charming cities. Let's dive right in. Our adventure begins in Zurich, Switzerland's largest city. Explore the old town's cobbled streets, visit the iconic Bahnhofstrasse for some luxury shopping, and don't forget to taste the delicious Swiss chocolate. Next, we head to Lucerne, a picturesque town nestled by Lake Lucerne and surrounded by mountains. Be sure to cross the Chapel Bridge, visit the Lion Monument, and take a scenic boat ride on the lake. Interlaken, our next stop, is an adventurous paradise. From paragliding over the Jungfrau region to hiking in the Lauterbrunnen Valley, there's no shortage of outdoor activities here. Zermatt is where we find the iconic Matterhorn mountain. Take a cogwheel train to Gornergrat for breathtaking panoramic views of this majestic peak. In Geneva, explore the United Nations headquarters, stroll around Lake Geneva, and admire the impressive Jet d'eau fountain, which shoots water 140 meters into the air. Bern, Switzerland's capital, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover its medieval old town with its well-preserved arcades, clock tower, and Bear Park. Lausanne, located on the shores of Lake Geneva, is known for its Olympic Museum, beautiful parks, and vibrant nightlife. It's a must-visit for sports and culture enthusiasts. Basel is a cultural hub with world-class museums like the Kunstmuseum and Foundation Baylor. Wander through the charming streets and experience the lively art scene. Don't forget to explore the Swiss countryside, where you'll encounter charming villages, rolling hills, and pristine lakes. It's the perfect